Welcome back to Vibing with the Guzmans. Today is a wonderful day in Central Florida. I guess I really don't know if Tampa is Central, South, Southwest, but anyway, it doesn't matter because we're going to be going today on an adventure. Are you ready for an adventure? Let's go. So for this video, I'm going for a different kind of feel where I'm not really going to be talking a lot. I want it to be like you guys are coming along with us literally to go where we're going to go today. So I hope that you like this style of video content, and I hope it keeps you captivated. So over here, we reached the main road to get to our destination. And I really like this area because as you'll see, it has restaurants, little boutique hotels, little villas that you can rent out in this area. And it has a really nice vibe. So this is the picnic area. Its tall trees really help to protect you from the sun. There are grills that are provided, restroom areas, showers, and changing cabins to use. And of course, picnic tables. Now, just to give you a heads up, do not feed the animals. These birds and squirrels are so smart. We caught them picking up bags of chips, trying to get into the package of cupcakes, and even took some ribs. Hey everybody, so I'm at the beach right now. We're doing a beach day to take advantage of the weather, and then also my daughter's birthday is coming up soon. So we're gonna just cut a birthday cake for her since we're with my sister-in-law and my brother-in-law today. So we're gonna do that, and I almost don't want to tell you guys where I'm at because I feel it's like one of Southwest Florida's best beaches, but we all friends here, right? So I'm gonna let you in on a secret, but you gotta stay tuned. All right, follow along. All right, so we're here at one of my favorite places in Florida. It's Coquina Beach. I feel like I would have to say, one of the best beaches, in my opinion, in the area. I do have several locations that I love to go to. Indian Rocks Beach is my second favorite. It used to be my first until I discovered this beach. I really love this beach because of the waters. I really feel when the sun is out, it is as beautiful as crystals or jewels in the water. It sparkles that prettily. Is that a word? Prettily? But anyway, um, today is a wonderful day. On the other coast of Florida, there is a tropical storm going on, and we were supposed to be affected by some storms today as well. But when we checked the weather report, we realized that it was going to be pretty good. So we came out, and I think that's why it's so, I wouldn't want to say deserted, but it feels deserted today. There has been times, mind you, on holiday weekends that we've come out here and it has been packed. I mean, I don't understand how you can be in the ocean and bumping into people. That's how many people were in the water one time we came out here. But today really is a great day. It's slightly overcast. It doesn't feel hot. I think today's high is about 85 degrees. So if you're ever in the area, it's quite close to Bradenton. Well, we're actually, I think, in Bradenton. But this beach is called Coquina Beach. And then it's near Tampa, Sarasota. I highly recommend you come.
Hey.
Burger! Who wants a burger?
Burger. What's a burger? I'll say maybe. Yeah, what's a burger?
Give this to Daddy. Here, give this to Daddy. I'll make sure I put that in my video.
Giving back to the ocean.
So that concludes our video today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to come back again.